We want to say good morning now as we start your pinpoint weather and traffic together with Michelle Muscatello, and we're looking ahead to the weekend question mark on Sunday still, right?
Yeah, we're still got a lot to talk about and a lot to work out in terms of the details of the Sunday-Monday time frame, but we're also about a week out now from Christmas Eve, believe it or not. So we're going to be talking about white Christmas potentials here, live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. No snow falling right now. We had a few flurries on the outer Cape. They stayed away from the Rhode Island coastline and most of southeastern Massachusetts, and it's dry out there right now. So white Christmas, well, what does it mean? Historically, the definition of it would be an inch on the ground by 7 a.m. Christmas morning, and we have about a 37% chance historically of seeing that happen. Looking ahead to the Futurecast for the upcoming week, we've got several opportunities for some snow in the next week, so we'll see what happens. 13 is what it feels like outside under dry, cold, clear conditions in Emerald Bay Manor in Cumberland. It's only 17 in Johnston, 14 East Providence, 14 in Coventry, in the 20s along the coast where a few clouds have lingered. Wind chills are fairly not that recognizable this morning because the winds are very light. So about 10 is what it feels like in Providence, 16 Smithfield, 18 in Newport, just slightly under the temperature. Morning bus stop, frosty start. You may walk out, and if your car's been parked outside all night, need to do a little scraping or at least have the defroster on high this morning. 15 to 22 for the temperatures this morning. By the afternoon, it's about 32 to 36 for a high between 2 and 3:30. Down to the south coast we go, 36 in Newport for a high, westerly at 36. Nice day overall. Cool sunshine. Dry in Cumberland, 35 at Johnston, about 34 Situate, and 33 in Burrillville. And then as we look into Fall River, Seekonk, Middletown, mid-30s, mostly sunny, dry and cool, about 35 for the high in Little Compton. So taking a look at the setup for the weekend, I still am expecting a storm to form off the southeast U.S. coastline, and our models are now in agreement that this is going to be a pretty sizable storm somewhere over the ocean. The question is, how close does it come? That's going to determine whether we see snow, rain, a mix, some wind, maybe just flurries. Still a lot of questions, a lot of different scenarios out there from our computer models that we look at in terms of the exact track of the storm. And this is where we've really got the headache this week, because if it tracks closer to us, we'd be looking at more of an impact. If it tracks further away, it would be less of an impact. And what we're looking at right now is at least the potential still for some snow, possibly some rain or sleet mixing in, and the timing of it would be developing on Sunday and then winding down on Monday. There are now signs, though, that that same storm system may hang off the coastline for a couple of days next week, giving us the chance for some snow again on Tuesday and Wednesday. So your 7-day Futurecast for today, about 37 for a high, 38 tomorrow. It's a nice start to the weekend, and then we'll definitely check back in for future forecasts.